Hi everyone. Today let's take a journey back to the unforgettable day of September 11th, 2001, the day the world changed forever. The Twin Towers, symbols of American pride and resilience, were brutally attacked, shaking the very foundation of our sense of security and leaving a scar on our nation's history. The impact of two hijacked planes crashing into the towers shattered the calm of a regular day, plunging the city, the nation, and the world into a state of shock and disbelief. As the towers collapsed in a cloud of dust and debris, chaos ensued. Amidst all that destruction and devastation, stories of courage and resilience emerged. One such story is that of the Survivor Stairs. Let us dive deep into the untold story of Survivor Stairs, lifeline of 9/11. But on that day, they became a beacon of hope for hundreds of people trying to escape the crumbling towers. They were a lifeline guiding people to safety through the smoke and debris. To understand how these stairs became lifeline, let us start by understanding. The iconic Twin Towers were located in a 16 acres World Trade Center complex. The housed 7 buildings and the 5-acre plaza. One World Trade Center is the North Tower and the 2 World Trade Center is the South Tower. The Survivor Stairs were nested in Building 5 World Trade Center, a 9-story low-rise office building with a black exterior. The Survivor Stairs were an outdoor flight of granite-clad stairs and 2 escalators which connected 5 World Trade Center building to the VC Street. As in the image here, the 5 World Trade Center building extended over the sidewalk and created an overhang above the Survivor Stairs. 5 World Trade Center building was a bit of lucky charm as it was the least damaged building of the entire complex on that fateful day. Its upper floors suffered severe damage and partial collapse while floors 1 to 3 remained mostly intact. Hence, the building itself and its overhang over Survivor Stairs acted as a shield as chaos was unfolding all around the rest of complex. Now, if you are wondering why is building extension providing cover important in this story? Well, picture this. If you were a person in one of the World Trade Center buildings that morning, reaching safety meant you have to cross 3 hurdles. First, you have to walk down the stairs of the building you were in. This brings you to lobby of the building. Second, you have to find your way out of the building, and then third, you have to get across some part of the plaza and make it down to the street. These steps were as terrifying and treacherous as they come. From the moment the plane struck the buildings, debris was raining down. Fires were burning, pipes were exploding, and smoke filled the air, worsening with every passing minute. First responders were scattered in building lobbies, assisting people trapped in jammed building doors and guiding them to safety. Many survivors recall being pointed to cross the plaza and get into 5 World Trade Center building. Once they were inside the building, they were urged to get to the other side of the building where they would find a stairway leading to Vesey Street. They were instructed to don't look back, don't look up, don't slow down, and to just keep running. The condition of Building 5 itself and the protective overhang above the staircase played a crucial role in bringing many people to safety. In the aftermath of the attack, as survivors began sharing their stories, a common thread emerged. Many recounted how the stairs on Vesey Street became their lifeline, their beacon of hope amidst the chaos. It's no wonder these stairs earned the name Survivor Stairs, a testament to the countless lives they helped save that tragic day. In the years following the tragedy, the World Trade Center Survivors Network passionately advocated for the preservation of these stairs. Their efforts paid off when plans were made in 2007 to carefully remove the stairs from their concrete structure, with the intention of eventually housing them in the World Trade Center Memorial Museum. Finally, in 2010, the staircase was relocated and placed within the National September 11th Memorial Museum space. Today, the Survivor Stairs stand as a prominent feature of the museum, serving as a testament to the resilience of the human courage displayed in the face of unimaginable adversity. They remind us to honor the courage of those who navigated these stairs to safety and pay tribute to the lives lost on that fateful day. Hope this story inspired you to stand strong in the face of adversity and to cherish the precious gift of resilience within each of us. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more.